You can use the tree view to do bulk editing and copying of entire locations or areas within your survey. So here I'm looking at an asbestos survey, and this is grouped up by building, then level, then location, and within the locations we have our individual inspection items. So I'm just going to have a look and show you an example where I want to bulk edit multiple items at the same time. So I'll open up the building, into the ground floor, and I can see here I've got a typo, 001 Holloway. If I open this, I could edit each individual item and change that to hallway, but that might be time consuming, especially if there are lots of items within that group. So the alternative here is to do a long press, and I'm presented with this screen here. It says I'm editing 3 items at the same time, and it's showing me that I can edit these 3 fields. So that's just the fields that are making up the tree view on the previous screen. So you can see the building, the level, and the location. But all of those other fields have been hidden away because they might have different values, and we just don't know what the effect will be. Regardless, we can make a change to all 3 items at the same time. So now if I click this and I change Holloway into hallway and save it, all 3 items have now been updated, and the effect is that it's the same as if I edited all 3 items in sequence. The other thing I might want to do is make a copy of one of these. So if I swipe to the right, it will be presenting me with this screen here, copying 3 items. Now the interface is the same, but the effect is slightly different. So let's say I'm building up a new location using similar data. I'm going to say hallway 2. When I save that, if I just scroll down, you can see those 3 items have been copied over with the new information. So just to recap, you can do a long press to edit all items within a grouping, or you can swipe right to make a copy of all the items within a grouping. Now it's worth noting that one of the things you can do is you can copy at any level. So I could copy the entire building, all 23 items within it, or I could copy a floor or a location as I just shown you. So let's change all of the items in our survey. So let's say the building, we want to change that to main building. So as you can see, all 23 items have been updated, and they now use main building for this field here. So that's just one of the things you can do with the tree view.